Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this Benks product review video. Appreciate your time, your support. Want to give a huge shout out to Benks for sending me the Crystal Grand Combo case for my new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8/wide. Complete protection, effortless style. All the information to purchase will be down below in the description area. Let's get a really good look at the packaging, and I gotta tell you folks, this right here is premium. On the back, we have a lot of information.
Crystal clear, front case compatible, scratch resistance, anti-fingerprint, shockproof hinge, impact resistance, showcase original beauty, anti-yellowing, front protection, adhesive-free design, seamless fit, comfortable grip.
And we got some more information right in here. So please read everything. And without further ado, let's do this. Folks, I have been waiting and waiting for my Z Fold 8 to come in. It's really nice to be able to retire the dubbing device. Got a Benks case on this guy just to give it a little extra sum as it sits over there in retirement. Yeah, that dummy device has done me good. Bam! Look at that. We got compartments here for not just the case, but I did not mention that you actually get a tempered glass screen protector as well. And there it is, which I'm going to put on my Z Fold 8. You got an installation kit here. We'll put that over to the side right there. That is the Benks mascot there since 2008. I'm not going to use that. I'm going to use what's in the installation kit. And you have the guide to make it that much easier when applying the tempered glass screen protector to the display of the Z Fold 8. So we're going to put that there as well. And you have removal instructions, installation instructions, basically a how to use tutorial. Please read everything, folks. Watch what I do in this video, but still read the information. And here is the case. Here's the frame, which is a hard plastic polycarbonate material. And we're going to put that there. And here is the back part of the case. Hard plastic polycarbonate material. Designed by Benks. This has a mixture of TPU as well. Magnetic ring. All right, so let's go ahead and put that over there. And what Benks is saying is that you're not going to need adhesive with the frame of the case. So what we're going to do, or what I'm going to do, is put the case to the side so we can prepare for the tempered glass screen protector install. Okay, so I'm going to use my little rubbery mat, put it on top of my new desk mat here from Journey. I'll leave a link for this desk mat down below in the description area. It's a magnetic wireless charging reversible desk mat. You can go check out that review. And I'm going to get out the dust absorber there, the microcloth, and the alcohol prep wipe. So my front-facing camera is up top there. Got to have protection for my investment. Just like that. Give her a nice wipe down. I haven't even turned on my Z Fold 8. I went from the unboxing straight to this Benks case review because I have to have protection for my investment. Okay, so then we're going to pick up any lint or dust. Keep doing this until you feel ready to apply your tempered glass screen protector. Okay, so that says top. So where the camera is. Be patient. Do not rush. Pick a time of the day where you feel like you're not going to have to rush. I don't know if you can hear my dog out there barking. Our shepherd is so protective, man. I kid you not. You take him on a walk, he's super friendly, but when he's on the premises of our home, he is super protective. Okay. One more time. And then, boom. Then remove this part, the guide. You can see the bubble there. See that? What you want to do is get a cloth or your microcloth and just push that bubble out of there. Doesn't take too much time. Again, you just have to be patient. I use my thumbnail and I get some feedback every once in a while. They're like, dude, man, you're gonna scratch up that glass protector with your thumbnail. And they don't scratch up. But you know what, folks? Don't do what I do. Okay? Follow the instructions. Okay? Benks screen protectors are really, really good. They're case friendly. Yeah, that is perfect. I'm telling you, folks, they're amazing. What I'm going to do is turn on my Z Fold 8. I'm going to get it going so I can show you the touch response with my Z Fold 8. So I'll be right back. All right. That looks great. No bubbles. It is a perfect install. Now, at the moment, my information from my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is being transferred over to my Z Fold 8. So that's going on the background, and we can continue the crystal clear Benks case review here, the Grand Combo. Yeah, that looks gorgeous, beautiful. The frame, let's go ahead and put that on. I'm going to make sure that the frame isn't going to push up on the corners of the glassware, top, bottom, and sides. You don't want to see any lifting whatsoever, and everything looks great. Got the recessed area up top for the earpiece. Got a mic cutout, and you have your speaker cutout there. And on the other side, speaker cutout. Got your SIM tray right in there. A lot of lip, folks. A lot of lip, plus the glassware. Flat surface is a little bit rough. You're good to go. Anything rougher than that, use your discretion. Okay, so let's go ahead and put the back on. Yeah, that's TPU and PC. Yeah, that is nice. Got a little bit of TPU, certain areas of the back part of the case and PC material. Ooh, I like that sound. I love that sound. Not just like, but I love it. Okay, so you can see that there is definitely a lot of lip surrounding the cameras. You got the magnetic ring and that crystal clear back there. I'm going to be putting on a skin, so that's definitely going to look great with that clear back. So now you can see all of the cutouts from the top there and the bottom. Exposed is the fingerprint reader power button and a little bit of an angle in design here so your finger can slide down onto that fingerprint reader power button to get into your Z Fold 8, your volume rocker, up, down. All right, let's go ahead and test out the power button there. Fingerprint reader. Wow, that was fast. Really, really fast. Touch response. Dolly Parton, may she rest peacefully. Wow. My prayers to her family. Yeah, that works great. That works great. Yeah, no issues. The hinge protection area is definitely going to protect the hinge. That's what it's for. That is what it's designed for. Will it damage your hinge area? Will it scratch it? I have never experienced that. I get feedback that some of you have experienced that from cases that you have used for your foldables with hinge protection. I have not. These hinge protection areas are perfectly designed to protect, not damage. If I was to see anything like that, I would definitely report that back to you. It is covering that area perfectly, again, to make sure that nothing happens to what controls this right here when you open and go into the inner display. A lot of protection all the way around. You got this area open here, but still a lot of material above the fingerprint reader power button, so not going to be easy to get to that area and damage. These areas right here, got a lot of material here. Again, surrounding the inner display. And that feels great. Solid. So whether you're sitting down like that or like this, like I said before, it's about using your discretion. If it's a really rough surface, I would probably go that route where you have your tempered glass screen protector and the lip of the frame like that. Let's go ahead and test out wireless charging with my new magnetic wireless charging pad from Samsung. I got this for free with the purchase of my Z Fold 8. Bam, that's what we want to see. And then over here, I have a charging pad connected to a stand that is attached to my new Alti wireless charging reversible desk mat. So what I'm going to do is come over here and put that right there, and boom, look at that. Benks, thank you so much for the opportunity. To all of you for watching, really do appreciate it. I would ask for a thumbs up if you like this case review. Subscribe, hit the notification bell. And with that, stay tuned for more here on Team I Project 13. God bless you all. Peace. I'm out.